How to conquer your Mogo payments, a stress-free guide. Ever felt that panic when a bill sneaks up on you? Especially when it's something like Mogo, where missing a payment can affect your credit score. Been there, done that. But fear not, fellow Mogonauts, because today we're cracking the code on how to pay Mogo like a boss. Context building. Whether you're rocking a Mogo mini line of credit or just cruising with a standard loan, staying on top of your payments is key. It keeps your finances smooth, your credit score happy, and lets you avoid any pesky late fees. But with all the different options Mogo offers, figuring out how to actually pay them can feel a bit like navigating a financial jungle. Deep dive, payment methods. So, let's break down this jungle into manageable paths. First, depending on your location, your payment methods might differ slightly. But worry not, we'll cover the most common ones. Online banking bill payment. This is a classic, convenient option for most. You just log into your online banking, find the bill payment section, add Mogo as a payee. It might be listed as Mogo Canada or something similar, enter your loan number as the account number, and choose the amount you want to pay. Payments made this way usually take 2 to 3 business days to reflect in your Mogo account. Direct debit, feeling fancy? Set up a direct debit with your bank. This way, the payment automatically gets withdrawn from your account on your scheduled due date. No more scrambling to remember. Just make sure you have enough funds to avoid any NSF fees. Interac e-Transfer. This is a great Canadian option for those who bank electronically. You can use your bank's online banking platform or mobile app to send an Interac e-Transfer directly to Mogo. Just use Mogo as the recipient name and your loan number in the message section. Location-specific options. Now, things might get a little location-specific. Here's a quick breakdown for some regions. Canada, mogo.ca. If you're rocking a Mogo mini line of credit, you can also make payments through their handy support bot, which is available 24/7. Kenya, mogo.co.ke. For our Kenyan Mogonauts, you can utilize M-Pesa, a popular mobile money service. Just pay bill number 703-4211 using your Boda plate number as the account number. USA. While Mogo's US presence seems to be limited currently, it's always good to check their website for any updates on available payment methods. No matter which method you choose, always double-check your account number and amount before hitting that pay button. A typo can lead to a financial headache, so a quick second glance can save you a lot of stress. Want to stay ahead of the game? Most online banking platforms allow you to schedule future payments. This way, you can ensure your payments are made on time, even if you forget. It happens to the best of us. With that said, conquering your Mogo payments doesn't have to be a struggle. Now you're armed with the knowledge and the right tools to navigate those financial jungles with ease. Thanks for watching, and until next time.